Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I'm going to be showing you a little bit about Google Keep. So as you can see here, these are all of my notes, and these are essentially my notebooks that we talked about. So as you can see here, this is what notebook that this note belongs to, and how to add a note to a notebook. You just click on the note, you click over here, add label, and then I want this to go to my course theme, and then there, it adds it to that. And then I can go through and then just say where I want it to go, and it's easy as that. So I just go through all of these, course theme, and then you can also add links. So if I wanted to add a link and to like a website, or if I find something interesting, just stuff like that. You can make lists, just stuff like that. Here's another one I want to add a label to my course theme. That one has that one. So then if you want to go to your notebook that you have, here's all the ones that you've created, and then school with all those, and etc. So basically, those are your notebooks. These are the notes that you have within them. You can create lists. You can have links. Unfortunately, you cannot create. You can't have like an article and then have like make highlights in them. That's one drawback about Google Keep, but other than that, it is a great tool to have. So, thank you.